So SEAMOSS, as everyone refers to it as, it is the superfood, and it's not an exaggeration when persons say it's the superfood, because indeed it is. As Wesley had said, it contains 92 out of the 100 and something nutrients that are minerals that our bodies need. And we talk about minerals such as iodine, potassium, magnesium, and the list goes on. It indeed is a superfood. So we said that it contains a bunch of minerals. It also contains vitamins. So we're talking about vitamin B12, vitamin B2, vitamin A. It also has polyunsaturated fatty acids, which is a good fat, and it also helps to promote good cholesterol. So it lowers cholesterol. So you know we're talking about heart health right there. And additionally, it has antioxidants as well as anti-inflammatory properties. So when we say superfood, it is indeed a super